in public policy making, there's a term called policy sequencing, where one puts priorities one before the other in accordance to its need in vis-a-vis the current situation, right? It is incumbent upon each and every single citizen, whether they are inclined with other political forces or non-political forces, to work with everyone, not to gain control. We need to be able to work with everyone in order to face the challenges ahead, which is the current pandemic. Number two, to get the fundamentals, the economy, the society back on track to what it should be. Then only we want to talk about levers of power and go into elections, etc., etc. So I think the primary thing, yes, we need to build or rebuild the nation, and we need nation builders. It should be people on the table to rebuild the nation, to rebuild our citizens, because without citizens, there is no nation, and essentially to rebuild at least the channels, the platforms, the foundations to rebuild our future. Whether or not we're talking about a marriage of convenience or whether it's about, gaining control, one fundamental basis upon whatever cooperation that's going to be coming, it needs to be one that gets rid of this toxic environment. And we need to replace that with talking about and trying to realize what is good for the country. But whatever conversation, whatever cooperation that is put on the table, it must first be put on the table. And what is put on the table must first and foremost be an agenda-based policy, a broad consensus. So what is that policy framework? What is to be put on the table? I think it is very clear what our policy framework within Pakatan Harapan. As of right now, PH on our own, I don't see we have the numbers. However, if there is to be another government, there needs to be addition of other members of parliament. What are they agreeing upon and what are they putting on the table? We need to know that. If it is a continuation of the current situation, of course, we can't be part of that.